How's it going, everyone? Here we have a 2009 Yamaha TTR 110 build. I'm going to show you what we did and how we did it. So first thing you notice is probably the KX65 suspension. If you come up here, I had to bore out these triple clamps just a little bit. Not too much, I think it was 20 thou on the side, 40 thou overall. Otherwise it fits perfect. From there I went and put the Race Tech suspension in the front. It's got the stiffer springs. And if we come around back here, the rear swing arm fit great. There's just a little boss in there. I had to grind down about a 1/16 per side, and it went in the stock bore where the other swing arm went. From there, the shock mount was a whole nother situation. We'll have to take the bike later to show you how the top of this shock is mounted. But other than that, it fit pretty well. While we're back here, this back Sprocket is for a KX65 hub too, but they only sell a 44 tooth as your smallest one, so we had to build a custom 38 tooth to suit the motor transmission the best. Come around. You also see we have custom foot pegs with the custom rear brake. We had to build those foot pegs from scratch. And then the mount for the rear brake is all custom. Also, you see we have the TTR manual clutch, full kit. You could get it from sxparts.com. Here we got the clutch up front. And then if we come in here, we got this button air filter that I got from T-Bolt. Also, while we're in here, we have the VM26 carb that I found on Amazon. Also, some modifications we have is the 143 big bore kit that I got from sxparts.com. It came with the cam. Also from sxparts.com I got the CDI racing box to better suit the big bore. And from there, that's about it. So here we have the seat off. We could see this upper shock mount welded to the frame, with these 1/2 inch square bars going down, welded down at the bottom for support of the frame right here. That really has proved its justice there. It's been holding up well. It's had probably a year of riding time on this rear shock, so I don't think it's gonna buckle at any point. Here's the rear brake reservoir, and then also there's that racing CDI box tucked away in there. There is no electric start on this bike. It was deleted, no battery. Have more room to put this stuff. I think we're ready to go for a little test ride, show you guys how this thing rides.